welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make very soft and moist cupcakes. This is very delicious and an instant dessert recipe. Kids will love this super soft cupcake. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 60 grams of butter at room temperature. Then add half cup of sugar. Blend it in high speed for a minute. Now it's been a minute and both the ingredients are well combined. To this, crack in an egg. Then add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Again blend for a minute in high speed. Now after a minute, the egg is nice and fluffy and also well combined. Now let's add the dry ingredients. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida, half teaspoon of baking powder and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a quick mix and blend for a minute in low speed. After a minute, all the ingredients are well mixed. Now to this, add quarter cup of milk little at a time and mix well with a spatula. By the time you finish adding the milk, you will have a very smooth and lump-free batter. Now keep ready few muffin cups with them lined. Add the batter up to 3/4. Likewise fill all the muffin cups. Preheat at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the cupcakes are out of the oven. Let them cool completely. Allow them to cool completely. Now our delicious super soft cupcakes are ready. Serve them right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a very simple recipe. So do try this cupcakes recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.